Creativity is more important to undergraduate. It is argued that students can learn more by collaboration rather than as individuals. The university is seeking funding for a project focused on climate change mitigation. Open days for undergraduates occur all year round for campus visits. Globalization in the modern world leads to economic growth.